Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold overview US dollar chart. As you can see, Monday, the first trading session of the week, we're trading in the green ever so slightly, trading just underneath 1780 at 1778. I am bullish here for the crude oil markets. I think if we wanted to fall lower, we would have done so already. We had two negative trading days last week. I think that was on the Wednesday and Thursday session when we got rejected at the 200-day EMA. But it seems to me that we've paused that downside movement, and it looks to me that we might go and retarget the 200-day EMA. So the 200-day EMA currently sits at 1793, so I would not be surprised at all within the next trading session or two if we go and retest that area. Worst comes to worst, I think we go back down towards the 50-day EMA, which currently sits at 1762. So I think right now is a fantastic buying opportunity. Look to put your stop loss whether at 50-day EMA is or just below it, and look to take profit up at 1790. But I am a buyer. I bought last Friday, and I'm currently targeting the top side of this holding pattern, which is currently up at the 200-day EMA. I've explained in previous trading videos that I think what we're trying to do medium to longer term is get a bullish crossover. So here we had a bearish crossover, which basically forecasts a medium to long term bearish movement, and that's exactly what we got here. But I think right now we're trying to get the 50-day to pierce back above the 200, which will then cause a bullish crossover, which means medium to longer term that projects a bullish movement towards the upside, where I personally believe we could go and retarget all-time highs. I've mentioned it before and I'll mention it again. Back during the 2008-2009 financial crisis, gold didn't hit its peak all-time high and up until 2011, which of course was 3 years after the financial crisis occurred. And if that was to be the same the same play out here with COVID, that means that gold probably wouldn't hit its peak all-time high during the years of 2022 going into 2023. And don't forget, we've had triple the amount of financial support from the Fed and US government this time around than we did back during the financial crisis. So I'm incredibly bullish here for the gold markets. We're still trading in a low interest rate environment. The Fed has promised that they're not even thinking of changing that at least until the end of 2022. And you just cannot sell gold when you're trading in a interest rate environment which is pretty much at 0%. So I am a buyer, no interest in selling. 1790 is my price target going into the middle and end of this.